I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting your dataset into one clean sheet and making a backup copy immediately. Once done, scan for common issues: text numbers, blank rows, inconsistent date formats, and stray spaces. Fix them with value, trim, date value. Make sure headers are clear because formulas and pivot tables rely on them. Then add a cleaned column to apply uniform transformations and keep the original intact. This prevents accidental loss and lets you test formulas before committing to analysis. Now calculate descriptive statistics directly in cells or a summary table: average, median, mode. SNGL, STDEV, S and VAR, S to understand center and spread. Next, build pivot tables to aggregate by category and add quick analysis charts, histograms, or box plots to visualize distributions. Use filter and sort to isolate subsets and conditional formatting to highlight outliers or blanks. Once visualized, decide whether to winsorize, trim, or impute missing values. Document each change in a notes column so your steps are reproducible. Finish by running inferential tests appropriate to your questions. Enable the data analysis tool pack for t-tests, ANOVA, regression, or use Coral T. Test KISC. Test and linist formulas for custom solutions. Explain assumptions, normality, independence, equal variance, and report confidence levels and p-values beside results. Once validated with spot checks, assemble a final output sheet with tables and charts for presentation. Troubleshooting tip: if results seem wrong, check cell ranges and hidden filters first. A wrong range or active filter is the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.